What if I told you that most of the money you use every day doesn't actually exist? Not as cash, not as gold, not even sitting inside a bank vault, and that over 90% of money is created by banks, not governments. It sounds illegal, but it's not, and it sounds scary. But it should be if you don't understand it, because most people think banks simply take your deposit, keep it safe, and lend that same money to someone else. But that's wrong. When you deposit $1,000, the bank doesn't lock it away. It keeps only a small fraction, say 10%, as reserve and is allowed to lend out the remaining $900. And here's the key part. It doesn't give your cash. It creates a brand new digital deposit with a keystroke. So your $1,000 still exists in your account while the borrower now has $900 too, meaning money just multiplied. Then that $900 gets spent, deposited into another bank, partially reserved, and mostly lent out again, repeating over and over until one original deposit can turn into $9,000 or more in total money, which is why banks aren't just money holders. They are money creators. And no, this isn't fake money. It's real because everyone trusts and accepts it. You can buy food with it, pay rent with it, and pay taxes with it because money itself is simply a claim on value. This system exists because economies need credit to grow for homes, businesses, factories, and education. But it has a dark side because banks create money easily in good times and stop lending when fear hits, causing money creation to slow, businesses to struggle, people to lose jobs, and recessions to begin. And since money is created as debt, the system constantly needs more borrowing to survive, which is also why inflation happens when too much money is created too fast, quietly reducing the power of your savings. Central banks don't create most of this money themselves. They control interest rates and rules, while banks do the actual creation. And once you understand how banks create money out of thin air, you'll never look at money the same way again.